How's it going, guys? Here we are today. We're doing another hunt. This is the day after me and Dad came by here, but we got Tango. We got my boy with a new thing coming up real soon for you guys. Big surprise. Gonna be a couple months. Oh, okay. Well, just gotta get his excitedness out first, so. Okay, we're loaded up now and walking. Hurry up. There you go. Nice morning out. It's like 44. Little wind. Well, it's like 10 mile an hour winds, but it's not constant. I'm pretty happy with it. So we know there's a rooster here still. There might be another rooster that came back into this field. I don't think so. Could have been. Oh, yep, there's a rooster right there. Tango! Tango! Close! Close. There's a rooster right in that tree over there. Heel! 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 Heel. He's right there. So instead of spooking that one off, heel, heel. What I'm gonna do? Heel. 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 Is he standing in the road? Heel. Yep, there he is. He's on the ground. Heel. Tango. Tango. Back. Go get him. Go get him. Whoa. Tango. He's a running. He's a running. Tango. He's a running. Tango, go back. Go back. Tango, go back right there. Get him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Bring it here. Uh-oh. I'm out of shells. Oh boy. Oh, no, I got a couple. Good boy, Tango. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. That's such a good boy. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. 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 Thank you. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Good job. That's a beautiful looking rooster. Look at the tail feathers on that guy. Oh, that's a beauty. Had to get moving and quick, but worth it. Okay, so there's one rooster down. We could either shoot one bird, right? One more bird, or we could have something else. I was on top of that bird because I learned from my mistakes. If you let them run, sometimes you don't get them. Get it. Get it, Tango. I like what the dog's doing here. We're gonna walk back down this edge anyways to check it twice. Did you find anything? No? Good boy. Sometimes he puts up the bird by himself. Sometimes he asks. He'll like stop and look at me, like asking if he can get it. Once I tell him go ahead, he just goes right in there and gets that thing. It's the best dog I've ever had. Well, one of. So Tango just did a great job. He put up a rooster right back there. I missed it twice. It was a little far away because the dog kept going farther and farther, and I kept warning him, stop going too far. So it was a little too far out of my range, but I still put 2 shells towards it, and I miss. Dog running up, not too far. Tango. Good boy. Good boy. Drink it up, drink it up. Go. Go get him. Looking for him. Go. Get ahead. Now they don't stock this side to our knowledge anymore, so we're just gonna play it as is by doing this. Going out here. Tango, let's go. That's my boy. Here you go, let's go. Find a bird. Find it. Find that bird. Oh. Isn't that nice? So, we're actually going to do something we've never done before. See this pheasant right here? Now, something people used to do back in the day and still do to this day. It's not very common. People hang up the pheasants to dry age for a few days. So I'm gonna do that. Alrighty.